Hey, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. And today we're gonna make a really cute little gift wrap bow that's super simple and will impress all your friends. So let's get started. So I've already wrapped this gift in this really pretty silver gift wrap. Now to put the bow on it, what I'm gonna do is take the right side of the ribbon and I'm just gonna lay that down on my table. Take the package and lay it on top of my ribbon. Then I'm gonna take my ribbon and I'm gonna fold it around here. But then the trick is going to be that when I do my knot, I wanna make sure that the right side of my ribbon is gonna come out with the tail the way, so the right side shows. So before I knot it, I'm gonna twist it, bring it through here, and then this way, both of my tails are right side, so you see the right side of the ribbon. I'm gonna put that aside, and I'm gonna grab my Bowdabra. I'm gonna fold my Bowdabra bow wire in half and just lay it into my Bowdabra. And I'm gonna just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. And then I'm gonna take my silver mesh ribbon and I'm just gonna scrunch it into my Bowdabra, just right down the center. And just keep scrunching it. And then I'm gonna take my blue ribbon that matches what I already tied around my bow, and I'm gonna take the right side up, I'm gonna twist it and scrunch it down. Then I'm gonna fold it back over and twist and scrunch it. And the reason that I twist is because I wanna make sure that the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So I'm just gonna fold and twist and just keep doing that. We're gonna have a cute little puffy bow right on top of our package. And then the last time I fold it over, I'm not gonna twist because I wanna keep the right side up. Then I'm gonna take my wand and I'm just gonna scrunch everything down into my Bowdabra. And take this up here, pull it through my slip knot, hold everything, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out, separate the ends, and bring it around to the back. I'm gonna just tie a knot and double knot it. And I'm gonna leave my my wire on here because that's how we're gonna tie it onto the package. And I'm just gonna scrunch this all out and bring my bow around here and just kind of scrunch it all there. And you just kind of shape by pulling it in opposite directions. And this ribbon is a wired ribbon. You can purchase both of these ribbons on our Bowdabra website. Now I'm just gonna pull this, I'm just gonna tie this onto my ribbon that I wrapped around my package. Now if you don't wanna tie a ribbon around your package, you can just glue the bow on, but I like having the ribbon. So I'm just going to tie a knot. Now I'm gonna get my scissors and just clip it here. And you have this adorable little package. Now also, please, if you're watching on YouTube, please click the subscribe button. And on Facebook, please follow us. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.